So in this lesson we're going to learn about moving a data series with the mouse. So last time we copied it with the mouse. So you should have a file that you are working with in the last exercise. You should have it open. If not, you can go to Canvas and download the O2 Customer Houses workbook from Canvas. So what we want to do, in the last exercise we copied the information in A12 to A22 over to H12 to H22. So now what we want to do, select E12 to E22. E12 to E22. So we have it selected. So we want to point to the right border of the selected range. We're not going to press the control button this time. We're just going to point to the right hand side. So the move pointer is displayed. It's a little fork. It's the crosshairs with the arrows on all four ends. Hold down the left mouse button and drag the selection to the right until I12 to I22 appears in the scrolling screen tip. I12 to I22. And if you notice, the little box popped up and it gives you the range of cells that you're moving it to. So it should say I12 colon I22 right next to the box with the border. So now release the mouse button. And if you notice, you have a bunch of crosshatches. So what we want to do, what that means most of the time is that your cell, your column's not wide enough to display the information. And it usually only does it with numbers. So we want to go up here, like we usually do. Double click, and we will widen the column, and our numbers should appear. And what we've done, we've taken them, instead of copying, we've actually taken them from this column and put them over here. So drag A1 to H12. A1, go over here and get this the move pointer, and they want us to put in H12. H12. So put it there. If you notice, a little dialog, this is what we call a dialog box. Dialog box pops up. It says, there's already data here. Do you want to replace it? So you're going to say, click cancel, because it's saying, hey, I see you might be making a mistake. I'm going to help you fix that. Let's not do that. So you're going to hit cancel. If you really do want to replace it, you can hit OK, but in this exercise we're going to hit cancel. So drag A1 to H11. So we're going to drag it again to H11. So the last time, apparently we went a little bit too far. So we're going to go in this empty cell here. We're going to leave it there. We're going to drag E1, which is price. We're going to drag it down to I11, so next to customers. So now we have customers and price. So I'm going to fix the column widths because I don't like not being able to see the rest of the name. So now we're going to leave the workbook. We need to keep it open for our next lesson, our next exercise.